Okay. And some keyinkiler qarab yaqilib ala bu keyinkiler hamda nima winter hamda mushu qish fasli hozir kuz fasli gapdi qish fasliga kelay deb qopdi qandaqda bu 10-oyning nima 31 bu nima deymiz October 31st October 31st na Halloween Amerikalıların Halloween dedikleri. Okay, hamda keyinki söz sanla November 24th. Okay, November 24th nima Thanksgiving. Okay, hamda minnattarlik bayrami. Shunami? Amerikaliklarning bo'ladi shu yerliklarga nisbatan o'zining minnattarligini bildirib nima? Thanksgiving. Alqa turkey. Alqa to'yadigan bayram nima? Shu Thanksgiving. Last one is Christmas Day, right? December 25th. December 25th. Demak, yig'ib aytganda avval ayındayımız, onun da kendime küllani. Mesela tuğulan günümüz. What is your birthday? Cevap bir bakın. When is your birthday? Birth. Okay. Tuğulan günümüz kaçan? Degendik. Hoş. Andaqta bugünkü dersimiz gene mühim bo'lgan yana bir necha so'zlar bor. Birlikda o'rganib chiqaylik. So what's the weather like in summer? Okay. What is the weather like in summer? Okay. Anaqda biz shu yoz faslida havo qanday bo'ldi, shuni bir o'rganib chiqaylik. Odatda biz havo qanday bo'ldi desang, havo qanday bo'ldi, havoga qanday nima desang, it olmishdir. Demakki biz it havo rayini ko'rsatadi. Masalan, it's very hot, right? Especially in summer, it's very hot. It's very hot. And also the sun shines every day. Onun da genç öğretmenler, quyosh har kuni parlaydi, har kuni chiqadi shunami? Demak, mana o summerning alaydi. Demakchi summer, it's very hot. The sun shines every day, right? The sun shines every day. What about in spring? You know, spring, it's windy, okay? Windy means a lot of wind, and the windy deganimiz ham shamollik degan gap. Albatta springda pasl almashgan degan g'ana bo'ladi. Sala shamollik ko'p chiqadi, and also it's warm. Intayin illiq, yaxshi yeri illiq. Illiq. It's very warm. Sometimes it rains. Ba'zida qanday qo'ydi? Yomg'ir yog'ib qo'ydi. Demak hamda musharaka springning alayligi it's windy and warm, and sometimes it rains. Ba'zi qanday qo'ydi? Sanlar yomg'ir qo'ydi. Yomg'ir qo'ydi. Demak ham sometimes deganimiz nima? Ba'zida. Ba'zida. What about in autumn? So what's the weather like in autumn? You know, in autumn it's cool. Good, cool. Qaranglar, cool degan so'zga. Cool deganimiz salqin degan gap. Bu ayliqqa ya'ni ko'chma ma'nodagi ishlatilishi qaltis payzi degan gap. Mana hanzirga cool bor. Nahmush va cool. Oh, it's cool. Cool. Shunami? Albatta, kuz faslining havosi cool shunami? Ya issiq emas, sovuq emas, bir xil payzi. Mushunday deymiz. Cool. Okay, cool. Eg'iz tilim ko'p ishlatadi. And also it rains sometimes. And the ba'zida yomg'ir yog'ib qo'yadi. Albatta shunday. Bularni ayt yozgan kuzda, you know, it rains sometimes. So what's the weather like in winter? Okay. And the asosan mushu biz yashab baqqanda yarimiz in winter qanda it's cold. Of course winter was it's cold bo'lishini, so'g'aq. Yani it snows sometimes. Ba'zida qanday qildi? Yomg'ir yog'di. Qor yog'di. Har kun yog'maydi qor. Demak, it snows sometimes. Demak, havo rayi misharga itni ko'rsatayotgan nima? Havo rayini ko'rsatadi. Havo rayini ko'rsatadi. Xo'sh, endi match the meaning with the words. Endi men u yoqqa qarab qo'yinglar. Bundan bu English definition ma'nosi bor. Mushina qanday qilamiz desanglar, mushu Aiden tartib igicha shular bilan tutashtirib boqamiz. You know, for example, the last month of the year. Okay, last month of the year. Qaysi mushu eng oxirgi oy bo'ldi? Which one? December. Good. You know, last month of the year is December. Okay, what is the first season of the year? You know, first season. And of course, it's spring, right? And the Brazil get tunje. Pasal qaysi desanglar, first season, mush first rabay degan. Tunji degan gapcho. Albatta bu nima? It's spring. What is the hottest season of the year? Andaqda angus. Pasal qaysi? Winter? No, it is what? Summer, right? It's summer. And also a lot of wind. Okay. Nurgun shamallik bolsa nima deymiz? Shamallik deb qo'yamiz-ku. Windy get. Andaqda text. Anda bugungi tekstimizda qanday desanglar, bir country to'g'riliq baranishimiz. U bo'lsin nima desanglar, country in Southern Europe. Anda bu nima desanglar, shu Yevropaninki janubiga joylashgan bir davlat. U davlatning ismi what? Greece. Qaranglar. Bu ekranda ko'rinib turibdi, bu Gretsiyaning nimasi desanglar, bayrog'i. Bayrog'i. Bu nima deymiz? Greece. Bu davlatning nomi, Gretsiya. Masalan, Hans comes from Greece. And the Hans nadan kelgan? Gretsiyadan kelgan. We can say he's Greek. Okay, Greek. And the Gretsiyalik degan special was nima desanglar, Greek deymiz. Yoki Gretsiyada ishlangan degandaka. Demak, Greece, Gretsiya, Greek bo'lsa desanglar, bu Grek shu. Masalan, Grek madaniyati deymiz nima? Masalan, Gretsiyaning Afinada bir shahri bor. Athene deymiz inglizcha. Bu intayindanlar. Demak, endi bugun shu Athene hamda shu Gretsiyaning shu avariya to'g'riliq bir paranglashimiz. So first, speak up. So first question, what's the weather like in Kashgar? Okay, what is the weather like in Kashgar? So have you ever been to Kashgar before? Misol sizlar Qashqarga berib boqqanmi yoki sizlar Qashqardimi? Amsa shu Qashqarning avariyi qandaq? So what's the weather like in Kashgar? Okay, first, this is the warm-up stage. Amsa bir gap qilib beqinglar sog'lashda. Hech bo'lmagan ekran bo'lsin gap qilib. Masalan, asosan Xinjiangdagi ko'pincha havo klimat qanday desanglar, Qashqarga o'xshab ketadi-ku endi. So what's the weather like in Kashgar? Okay, Kashgar is weather in spring. Spring qana alaytilna bag'la spring. We've just learned some couple of words such as warm, right? And also windy, warm and windy. And the Qashqat yana bir alaylik va bularni spring deb qanday desanglar, sandstorm. Sandstorm. Sand degan qum, to'pa degan gap. Storm degan bo'ladi. Demak, hamda to'pa yog'idi bir alaylik springning and qamlashmagan bir yeri. O'sha sandstorm bor. Shunami? Demak, windy, shamalliq, sandstorm, to'pa yog'idi, yanacha warm. Hammaga o'rtaq-ku, hammaga ko'pincha warm. So, which month is? Of course, it's March, April, and May. Okay, March, April, and May. They are, spring. Okay. What about summer? Of course, summer is hot and rainy. Okay, which seasons are they? Like June, July, and August. Okay, it's really hot. What about autumn? Autumn in Kashgar is cool. Also sometimes dry, right? Qashqarning klimatini qanday desanglar, qurg'oq. Endi Qashqarda qaysi fasllar bor? Nega qaysi oylar? Masalan, which months such as September, October, and November. Okay, September, October, and November. What about winter? Okay, winter is cold and snowy. And which season? Like December, January, and February. Demaganda mushu biz Qashqarningki hamda asosli avariya mushunda shunami? Buningda bir necha sifatlarni o'rgandik, like windy, sandstorm, warm. Shunami? Okay, hamda meniki sandstorm degan hamda ism, bu hisobda nima deyapsizlar? to'pi yog'da qalaqqa. İşte ama onun gibi mesela hot, rainy, cool, dry, cold, snowy. Ma'lum nima desan, sifatli bo'ldi. Andaqda